I am Padmalata Bandaru, Principal of Mahathi Educational Institutions. We wish you and your family a healthy and successful new year. We are overwhelmed with joy as we turn out to finish 3 decades since Mahathi was established in 1994.
Hello everyone, I am Swati Mauva, the Dean of Mahathi Educational Institutions, Tadepalligudam, West Godavari. So it was established in the year 1994 by our dynamic correspondent sir, Mr. BVSRK Manohar sir. It has completed its 3 decades of long journey, which has produced outstanding students, activity-based learning, improving scientific temper, as well as having the current affairs up to date, and improving all the skills in the children and making them all-rounders in all the aspects without trimming their interests is our main motto of the school. And at the same time, we would like to enhance all the skills of the children through introducing the wonderful product called Eduvate. So we are very happy to associate with Eduvate, which also plays a vital role in the activity-based learning. So this is a wonderful platform for the children who can achieve their own interests in all the ways. Your child's excellence is our assurance. Make a right choice and have a bright future. Thank you.
Hello.
Myself Narmada, mother of Sri Kaushik. Today it's a great pleasure for me to see my child as a student of Mahathi English Medium School. Firstly, I would like to thank management and staff for their continuous efforts towards the children, and also I'm very happy to see my child growing continuously this year. And nowadays I can say it's very difficult for a children to understand the concepts going on in the classroom, but with the help of this integrated curriculum, Mahathi English Medium School is planning to bring into consideration. And as a parent, I am happy with the constant approach towards the management, and also I can say this Mahathi English Medium School is not only focusing on practical bookish knowledge, but they mainly focus on the practical knowledge, and also they helps the children to build day-to-day activities and co-curricular activities. And thank you for the way of instilling this love of learning into the children, and which is very impressive, I can say. Thank you.